Welcome to the world of 5G, the fifth generation of mobile network technology. In this video, we'll explore how 5G works, what makes it different from previous generations like 4G, and why it's such a game changer for connectivity. From faster speeds to lower latency, 5G is transforming the way we communicate and interact with technology. Let's dive in and discover the innovations behind this powerful new network. 5G stands for fifth generation, marking a significant leap in mobile network evolution. It's designed to deliver much faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections than its predecessors. With 5G, users can expect seamless streaming, rapid downloads, and enhanced connectivity for a wide range of devices. This new standard is set to revolutionize how we use our smartphones, tablets, and other connected gadgets. At its core, 5G operates by transmitting data using radio waves, just like earlier mobile networks. However, the difference lies in the range of frequencies it uses. 5G taps into both traditional frequencies and high-frequency bands called millimeter waves. These millimeter waves can carry much more data, allowing for faster and more efficient communication. Understanding radio waves is key to grasping how 5G achieves its impressive performance. Millimeter waves are a crucial component of 5G technology. These high-frequency bands can transmit large amounts of data at incredibly fast speeds. While previous networks relied mostly on lower frequencies, 5G's use of millimeter waves opens up new possibilities for speed and capacity. However, these waves have a shorter range and are more easily blocked by obstacles, which presents unique challenges for network deployment. One of the standout features of 5G is its extremely low latency. Latency refers to the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. With 5G, this delay is reduced to just a few milliseconds, enabling near real-time communication. This improvement is vital for applications like online gaming, video conferencing, and emerging technologies such as autonomous vehicles, where every millisecond counts. 5G networks rely on a system of small cells rather than just large cell towers. Small cells are low-powered base stations placed closer together, often on buildings or streetlights. This setup helps provide better coverage and faster data transfer, especially in crowded urban areas. By increasing the density of these cells, 5G can deliver consistent performance even when many devices are connected at once. Densely populated cities, traditional cell towers often struggle to provide reliable coverage. 5G's small cell approach ensures that signals reach more devices, even in crowded environments. By placing small cells on streetlights and buildings, 5G networks can overcome obstacles and deliver high-speed connectivity where it's needed most. This is especially important for supporting smart city infrastructure and connected urban services. Beamforming is another key innovation in 5G. Instead of broadcasting signals in all directions, beamforming directs data precisely toward a specific device. This targeted approach improves speed, efficiency, and signal strength, making connections more reliable. Beamforming helps reduce interference and ensures that each user receives the best possible service, even in busy areas. Massive MIMO, or multiple input multiple output, is a technology that allows 5G networks to use multiple antennas for sending and receiving data. This increases network capacity and enables more devices to connect simultaneously. With massive MIMO, 5G can handle large volumes of traffic, making it ideal for busy environments like stadiums, airports, and city centers. Thanks to technologies like massive MIMO and beamforming, 5G networks can support a much higher number of connected devices. This increased capacity is essential for modern life, where smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and countless other gadgets are constantly online. 5G ensures that everyone can enjoy fast, reliable connections, even in crowded places. One of the most noticeable benefits of 5G is faster download speeds. Whether you're grabbing a new app, streaming a movie, or downloading large files, 5G makes the process quick and seamless. This improvement is a direct result of the advanced radio frequencies and smart signal management used in 5G networks. Streaming videos and music is smoother than ever with 5G. Buffering is minimized, and high-definition content loads instantly. This is a major upgrade for entertainment lovers, making it possible to enjoy movies, shows, and live events without interruptions. 5G's high-speed connections ensure that your favorite content is always just a tap away. 5G technology is a key enabler for self-driving cars. With ultra-low latency and reliable connections, vehicles can communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure in real time. This allows for safer navigation, quicker responses to hazards, and more efficient traffic flow. The future of transportation is being shaped by 5G's advanced capabilities. Smart cities rely on 5G to connect infrastructure, services, and citizens. From traffic lights to public safety systems, 5G enables real-time monitoring and management. This leads to more efficient energy use, improved transportation, and enhanced quality of life for residents. As cities become smarter, 5G is at the heart of their transformation. Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of connected devices that communicate and share data. 5G provides the speed and reliability needed for IoT to flourish. From smart homes to industrial automation, 5G enables devices to work together seamlessly, creating new possibilities for convenience and efficiency. 5G is making smart homes more responsive and efficient. With faster connections, devices like thermostats, security cameras, and appliances can communicate instantly. This allows homeowners to control their environment with ease, automate routines, and enjoy greater convenience. The smart home revolution is powered by 5G's reliable network. Factories and industries are leveraging 5G for automation. Machines and sensors can exchange data in real time, improving productivity and safety. 5G's low latency and high capacity make it possible to monitor processes, control equipment, and optimize operations from anywhere. Industrial automation is entering a new era thanks to 5G. 5G is revolutionizing healthcare by enabling remote consultations, real-time monitoring, and advanced diagnostics. Doctors can access patient data instantly, and medical devices can transmit information without delay. This leads to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare delivery. 5G's reliability is crucial for life-saving applications. Virtual reality experiences are becoming more immersive with 5G high-speed connections allow VR devices to render graphics and respond to user actions instantly. This opens up new possibilities for gaming, education, and training. 5G's low latency ensures that virtual environments feel real and engaging. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world. 5G enables AR applications to deliver rich content and interactive features without lag. From navigation to entertainment, AR is becoming more practical and engaging thanks to 5G's fast and reliable connections. Online gaming is transformed by 5G. Players enjoy ultra-fast response times, smooth graphics, and multiplayer experiences without delays. 5G's low latency and high bandwidth make competitive gaming more exciting and accessible. The gaming industry is evolving rapidly as 5G becomes widespread. 5G supports remote work by providing fast, stable connections for video calls, file sharing, and collaboration tools. Employees can work from anywhere, accessing resources and communicating with colleagues in real time. This flexibility is changing the way businesses operate and empowering a new generation of remote workers. Education is benefiting from 5G through online learning, virtual classrooms, and interactive content. Students and teachers can connect instantly, share resources, and participate in immersive lessons. 5G's speed and reliability make learning more engaging and accessible for everyone. Farmers are using 5G to monitor crops, automate equipment, and manage resources efficiently. Sensors and drones collect data in real time, helping optimize yields and reduce waste. 5G's reliable connections are making agriculture smarter and more sustainable. 5G is enhancing public safety by enabling real-time communication between emergency services, sensors, and citizens. Faster response times and improved coordination help save lives and protect communities. 5G's reliability is critical for disaster management and emergency situations. Despite its advantages, 5G faces challenges in deployment. High-frequency signals have shorter range and can be blocked by buildings or obstacles. This means more infrastructure is needed, including additional small cells and base stations. Deployment costs and coverage are still evolving in many regions, making widespread adoption a gradual process. Building a 5G network requires significant investment in infrastructure. Small cells, base stations, and fiber connections all add to the cost. While the benefits are clear, the financial and logistical challenges must be addressed to ensure that 5G is accessible to everyone. 5G availability varies by region. Some cities have extensive coverage while rural areas may still rely on older networks. Expanding 5G requires collaboration between governments, telecom companies, and communities. The goal is to make high-speed connectivity accessible to everyone, regardless of location. As 5G networks expand, security becomes increasingly important. Protecting data and preventing unauthorized access are top priorities. Advanced encryption and network management tools are used to safeguard users and devices. Security is a critical aspect of 5G's ongoing development. With more devices connected and more data being transmitted, privacy is a major concern in 5G networks. Users need to be aware of how their information is handled and protected. Regulations and best practices are evolving to address these challenges and ensure user privacy. Deploying 5G infrastructure has environmental implications. The need for more base stations and equipment increases energy consumption and resource use. Companies are working to minimize the impact by adopting eco-friendly practices and technologies. Sustainability is an important consideration for the future of 5G. 5G is expanding globally with countries racing to build and deploy networks. International collaboration and competition are driving innovation and investment. As 5G becomes more widespread, it's reshaping industries and economies around the world. The future of 5G holds exciting possibilities. Emerging technologies like smart robots, connected vehicles, and advanced AI will rely on 5G's speed and reliability. As new applications are developed, 5G will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Manufacturing is becoming smarter with 5G machines and sensors communicate instantly, enabling real-time monitoring and control. This leads to higher efficiency, reduced downtime, and improved product quality. 5G is powering the next generation of industrial innovation. Transportation systems are evolving with 5G. Real-time data helps manage traffic, optimize routes, and improve safety. Connected vehicles and infrastructure work together to create smoother journeys and reduce congestion. 5G is making transportation smarter and more efficient. Energy systems are becoming more intelligent with 5G smart grids monitor usage, adjust supply, and respond to demand instantly. This leads to more efficient energy distribution and supports renewable sources. 5G is helping create a sustainable energy future. Retail businesses are using 5G to enhance customer experiences. Real-time inventory tracking, personalized offers, and seamless payment systems are now possible. 5G's speed and reliability make shopping more convenient and enjoyable for everyone. Financial services are leveraging 5G for faster transactions, secure payments, and real-time analytics. Banks and fintech companies can offer innovative products and services, improving customer satisfaction and efficiency. 5G is transforming the finance industry. Entertainment is evolving with 5G live events, interactive experiences, and personalized content are delivered instantly. 5G's high bandwidth supports new forms of media and creativity, making entertainment more engaging and accessible. Logistics and supply chains are becoming smarter with 5G real-time tracking, automated warehouses, and efficient delivery systems are now possible. 5G's reliability ensures that goods move quickly and accurately from origin to destination. Tourism is benefiting from 5G through personalized travel experiences, real-time information, and seamless connectivity. Travelers can access maps, guides, and services instantly, making trips more enjoyable and efficient. 5G is reshaping the way we explore the world. Communication is at the heart of 5G. Instant messaging, high-quality video calls, and reliable connections are now standard. 5G's advanced network ensures that people stay connected, no matter where they are. Collaboration is easier with 5G. Teams can share files, work together on projects, and communicate in real time. 5G's speed and reliability support productivity and creativity, making teamwork more effective. 5G is all about smart connectivity. Devices, people, and systems are linked together, creating a seamless digital ecosystem. This connectivity drives innovation and opens up new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. Summary: 5G technology is transforming the way data is transmitted and managed. Using advanced radio frequencies, smart signal management, and innovative infrastructure, 5G delivers faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections. Its impact is felt across industries, from entertainment to healthcare, and its potential continues to grow. As 5G expands, it will shape the future of connectivity and open up new possibilities for everyone.